In this video, I am going to give you such a good AI video generator. With the help of you can do so many things. Like you can create the AI caption videos, AI story videos, AI animated videos. There's the video face swap available. You can do the tons of great things available. There's also the option available to link your TikTok and the YouTube account so that every time you can create a new video directly published to your platforms. There's also the AI tools section available. All the things you can do with this platform available here. So that is the best part what I like it here. First, let me give you the demo how this is going to generate the video. So I have generated few videos using this AI tool here. So the first demo is this one. क्या आप सोच सकते हैं कि एक कलाकार की सफलता का रास्ता एक पुरानी किताबों की दुकान से शुरू हो सकता है। अंशु, एक उभरते कलाकार ने अपनी प्रेरणा उस डस्टी पुस्तकालय में खोजी जहां कोई भी नहीं जाता था। किताबों के कवर पर छुपे चित्रों से उसने नए विचार चुराए, लेकिन उसकी यात्रा आसान नहीं थी। लोगों ने उसके अनकन्वेंशनल आइडियाज को ठुकराया, लेकिन अंशु ने हार नहीं मानी। उसने अपनी कला को सोशल मीडिया पर साझा किया, जहां उसकी ओरिजिनलिटी को सराहा गया। सफल होने का असली मंत्र है अपनी अद्वितीयता को अपनाना। तो क्या आप अपनी कहानी लिखने के लिए तैयार हैं? सोच सकते हैं कि Isn't that was the mind blowing with so many B-rolls, music effects, and the sound was really clear here. And the best part, these are the engaging popping subtitles. So in this AI tool you can customize these subtitles with some of the most popular creators style. Like we have the Mr. Beast style, we have the Alex Harmozy style, we have the David style, we have the Umi style. So many styles we have here. We can change their location to showing up, and we can make it resize. We can also take colors here. So this is the thing, you can do it here. And the best part, you can change the size or the layout of this video. For example, this is right now on the portrait. I can make it the square, I can make it the horizontal or the landscape mode. See, so this is the power of this tool, and the process of generating these videos compared to the other AI tools I found out is really fast here. Now let me give you the another example, and this is the another format I have used to create the video here. And you can see this is the one of the another popular styles by posting these kind of the videos on the social media or the reels you have actually already seen. So let me play the video.
Have you ever heard a really scary story that kept you up at night?
Oh, definitely. There's this one about a haunted house that gives me chills every time.
I love haunted house stories. What happened in that one?
So, a group of friends decides to spend the night in this abandoned mansion rumored to be cursed.
That sounds intense. Did anything creepy happen to them?
Yes, they started hearing whispers and footsteps, even though they were the only ones there.
No way.
Okay, I am stopping the video because this is just enough to give you the idea how the videos you are going to generate with the help of this AI tool here. And see, this is the another variant or the style I have showed you while popping like the messages and the two-person talking in there, talking about a haunted house. So this is the story of the haunted mansion, kind of the reel or the short I have created here. Again, I can change or customize its layout here, and I can change the style of the subtitles. So now let me tell you what is this tool and how you can use it. So this is the Vadoo AI. Right now it is one of the AI video generators I have found on the app. So with the lifetime deal you can use it here. So this is the Vadoo AI. In the 2024 I have also created a detailed video, but this is the 2025 and there are so many great options updated in this platform. So this is the new video I am creating here, and along with the Vadoo AI there's also the AI week currently going on the app Sumo. So for the 4 days you can get the any of these AI tools on this AI week with the great back on the stock option available. So after the 4 days their pricing either will be the increases or the deal will be ended. Especially for the Vadoo AI, you can see after the 4 days this deal is going to be the end. So this is the right chance. If you have the missed the Vadoo AI on the first place with the lifetime deal, you can get it here. So the pricing for this AI week, the $89 for the tier 1 plan, and you can turn your script into the B-rolls, the clips, the captions, viral editing, all those stuffs with the auto publish in this single platform. I'm to give you a detailed demo, so without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So this is how its Vadoo platform look like, and here you can check it out, the options that you can use to create the AI videos. So this is all the AI app sections available. Suppose you want to create the AI animated video or the influencer video, this is the section you can use it. There's also the AI UGC video generator available. So if you check it out, all the AI apps in this platform available, simply go to this AI tools section, and here you can explore all the AI apps. Okay, so let me first talk about the credits that you can see how much you have available, because in the different tier plans we have the different credits per month. Tier 1 is going to give you the 500 credits, and tier 2 is going to give you 1000. Same goes the higher tiers, going to give you the higher credits here. What I suggest, go with the highest tier, because this will give you at least the 10,000 credits per month with the 200 GB storage, and this is the huge. You can also consider the lower plans like the 3, 4 or the 5 here. If you want to check it out the deal, the link will be given in the description, and you can check those credits here, how many credits you have remaining. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you the demo with the AI video generator. Let me select any of these one. Let me go with this one, that is the AI product sort here. So I will choose this one here, and after that you have to simply add the description, and you can also add the product images or the video here. Okay, so right now I can use the other AI tool like the ChatGPT or the Merlin to generate the script for me, and after that I have to just simply use that script to generating the that product video here. But let me use something another thing. Let me go to the home page, because this I have seen the AI animated videos here. Okay, or I can also go with the starting from here like the AI tools or this one, that is the AI video editor here. Okay, so you can see discover AI videos. Okay, so this is the library available, and I want to create the animated video, so I have to find out that thing, that is the let me see, stop this one. Let me go with this one, that is the AI image video. Okay, so basically it will turn your images into the videos here. Okay, so right now this is the image generator option available. Here you have to describe your image idea, like I want to get the like a white rabbit with wolf in snow. Okay, so this is the, I have given a prompt for generating an image on this. Okay, here you can select the different models to generate the image here. Okay, then you can select the aspect ratio. I will go with the 16:9. Then we have this one other options available, that is the LoRa and the AI effects here. So I will go with this one, that is like the AI baby animals, and I like really good one here, so I will like make it the rabbit. Okay, then click here on the proceed, and there's also the styles and the additional settings, but I will go with this one. Okay, so now it will start generating the image for you. Okay, so when I selected the baby animals, it has just neglected my the prompt I have given, so I will go with the none here. Then I have to select again the aspect ratio, then I have to select the style here. I will go with this one, because this is something like the animated and the fantasy. Then let me again add my prompt here. Okay, let's click here on the enter, and now it will start. Okay, setup file API key is unable to generate. I think there's the issue going on, because I have the enough credits you can see available here, but still the image is not generating. It is showing me any API key. Okay, so I think I have to go with the, let me select the any other here again, different ratio. Now let's see the same issue I am going on. Okay, so might be possible there's the issue going on with the API key or this kind of stuff, but that will be solved soon. No worries, because I have also created the various products in the Vadoo AI. So let me open that one and play any of the videos. For example, I have even created detailed 10-minute video here. So let me play this video, and you will be amazed the quality it has generated for me. So you can see this is the video, and this is the 16:9 ratio 10-minute videos here. Okay, so let me play it for you. Okay, video is rendering, that's why it is showing in that kind of the stuff. So I have to minimize the screen so I can show you here. Okay, so basically this is how the video you can also create it. Okay, so that is the thing I have just give you demo, and I have created tons of other videos here. Okay, so that is how you can also use it. So this is the TikTok or the YouTube Shorts kind of the format available. This is the video editor available, where you can create these kind of the videos here. Okay, so you have to add the text here. You can see the text option, the audio, the video, you can edit or edit, you can edit here. Okay, so let me get back to the home and let me see where's that kind of the video I can create. Yeah, you can see this is the AI story option available. So simply I have to add the my script here, like text to video. Yes, I want to use that one. And after that you can see which kind of video you want to create. I want to create the scary stories. After that you have to select the language, and here you can select the consistency of the character. So you can select the characters here. So I will go with this one second. Okay, so this is the different characters available. Then you can select the models or the styles. So from here you can select the video duration. Here you can see I have selected up to the 90 seconds here. Okay, then after that you can select the your format and generate the script, and then that script will be turned into the video. So those videos that you have generated, you can find it in your my project section. Okay, so the platform is really good. The super powerful features available with tons of great AI tools or the apps available, and the feature of the directly published on your YouTube or the TikTok account. Okay, so that is also a good feature. So if you want to check it out, the tool, the link will be in the description. And that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.